Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming access and essentials. Make sure your username, MFA, and backup 2FA codes are ready. Once done, open Lovely Dashboard and choose Workspace, then create new board or import the 1/1 template to save time. Connect your data source next, CSV, API key, or Google Sheets, and grant read permissions so the dashboard can ingest fields. This step prevents schema errors later, and it lets you map columns immediately. You'll save minutes and avoid rework. Now you map fields and craft visual components. Assign labels, choose data types, and set defaults for missing entries so your visuals don't break. Next, add widgets, chart, table, KPI, filter, and set a refresh interval between 5 and 15 minutes for timely insights. Then apply transforms, parse dates, cast numerics, and create calculated columns to derive ratios or percentages. This detailed execution ensures consistency. If you standardize types now, you avoid confusing dashboards later. Finish by publishing the board and setting viewer permissions. Choose who can edit versus view, schedule email snapshots, and pin the board to the workspace for easy access. Then test thoroughly. Run sample queries, inspect refresh logs, and validate edge case rows so users see correct numbers. If something breaks, clear the cached schema, remap any offending fields, and rerun ingestion. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sync and type mismatch issues quickly, so your dashboard stays reliable and usable.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.